Today on Art for All, I've got a sports-themed subject to draw. We're going to draw the guy who has the last word on all the things that happen on the field, the football referee. He's posing holding up a red signal card, and he's got a yellow shirt and brown pants. They're shorts, actually. Get your pencils. We're going to draw a person today, a referee, and we get to practice drawing a human being. Here we go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.